Alrighty. That doesn't work, I don't think. Let's go to B. This is the other elevator at the Industrial Services and Agricultural Science Building or something like that. Penn State University, State College, Pennsylvania. Otis Lexan. Let's get a cap view going up. Has some sort of series 1 through series 4, I believe, indicator, but Lexan fixtures. Phone, no phone. Here we are at 5. Back to 1. Emergency phone. Oh, I can see why the emergency phone's there. There's your lantern. Let's get a cat view. Here we are at 1, and that's it.